Hello everyone, this time we will introduce the basic operation of the process. Template selection. When we were making clothes, we are definitely going to choose this template. Templates how to choose. In the top left corner of our clothes, here's one of these. White button. This is the interface for selecting a template. Let's click on it. A window for our template selection will pop up. Let's talk about it in the window. The first is a common template. It's the template we use in a factory. The second is our volume template. Custom-made templates. The third is the user template. It's a template saved by our users. This is called a user template. It's a template for me to change. We can call these templates repeatedly. So we're in this option. The first one is primitive. Just don't. There's only one square for you to adjust. And then this is our flat sail. Flat shoes and rotated sleeves. Saddle shoulders and other styles we can all choose by clicking here. And then on the right side of this window, it's our color of choice. What do you do for it? Crew neck or V-neck? You can choose the style here by going here. There are also a lot of color shapes here. A lot of. And then we have this place down here. It's our choice of pullover or cardigan. We can get through here. The first is a pullover. Cardigans, and what kind of zipper cardigans do we have? You can choose from all of them. Here is our selection of sleeve shapes. Long sleeves and short sleeves, all this. Vest is a vest you can choose from here. After you've chosen, we have 4 options down here. The first is a needle in the chest. It's the one where we put the needle in front of us. We call it a needle in the chest. And then our next one is a needle in the back. The ones with the needles in the back and back. You know, after the clip. And then you go up there and you add a needle with a needle in the back. It's a needle in the back. Then your back is straight when you're not hooked. There was no injection. And then if you have the front tablet without the needle, you just click. That way, he doesn't even need a needle in the front. And then this waistline is right here. Waist type whether the waist is closed. Pull in your waist when you hook it. No hook, no waist. The bottom one is breech. No breech, no hook. If you have breech, hook it. Then just hook your hand. And then click OK. OK, and after that, our style will come out. This is a round neck with flat sloping shoulders. A crew neck jumper with long sleeves. The waist template will be generated. After being generated, this is our ad. That's how the template was chosen. This is how you select the template. And then there's a density column in the upper right corner. This opens density. The filling density area is sometimes closed. Right here. This density bar here is highlighted here. You can display the density. This is an option for our template.